What you doing over here, hon?
Picking berries.
Picking blueberries. She's got some of her. Ed, Max, Blackie, who just took off, Timmy under the mat. Want to show everybody what you got there, honey? Got some blueberries.
Our second bag today because we started early today.
This is your second bag?
Yeah, but I only had, like the other one is about this full too. So.
Yeah. Good.
But I decided to work where the shade was. I'm down from there to here so far.
Perfect. Okay, yeah, the blueberries are looking delicious.
You should taste some, they're good.
Yes, I will. All right, so I'm just going to tell them about the drone footage I did of the gardens here.
Excellent. Okay. Hi everybody.
So, hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 7th, 2024. We got some rain yesterday that put a little bit of a slowdown for me working down in the pond new construction site down there. So today I got the drone out and did some footage. Haven't been flying the drone very much lately, so it's not the best footage, and so you'll see it. So footage of the gardens around here and a little relationship of where we are, the gardens and on the property as well. There'll be another video of the third food forest, and hopefully maybe I've already done one of the pond construction site down there. So 3 different videos. This one's about the gardens. So that's what's going to follow next. I hope you enjoy it. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Stay safe and take good care of yourselves. Bye-bye now.
In our garden, soil rich and deep, where the sun and rain, they gently meet, we sow our seeds with loving hands, watch them grow across the land. From tiny sprouts to fruit so grand, in our sanctuary where we stand, each day brings a new surprise underneath the open skies. Oh, our garden where life unfolds, colors bright and stories told, from earth to table, seed to bloom. In our garden there's always room. Among the flowers and buzzing bees, we nurture life with gentle ease. From herbs that scent the morning air, to vegetables beyond compare, with every harvest joy abounds. In our garden peace is found, a place where worries gently fade in the quiet of the shade. Oh, our garden where life unfolds, colors bright and stories told, from earth to table, seed to bloom. In our garden there's always room. Seasons changing, we remain. Hands in soil, we share the gain. From sprouting dreams to fruitful yield, our garden's bounty, love revealed. Oh, our garden where life unfolds, colors bright and stories told, from earth to table, seed to bloom. In our garden there's always room. In our garden hearts entwine, where nature's gifts forever shine. Through sunlit days and gentle rain, our garden grows, and so do we again. Bundle out of bed, boots hit the ground before the morning birds sing. I'm working all around, feeding the animals, tending to the land. Sunrise to sunset with dirt on my hand, sweat on my brow, muscles ache and burn, but there's no other way. It's the life I've earned. Farming life, working from dawn to night, pulling weeds, sowing seeds under the sun so bright. Farming life, it's a never-ending ride, but every day and every way I feel that farmer's pride. Plants to grow, soil to build, pruning trees and thin fruit. Hands in the soil, feeling that earth. Hard work and hustle, it's our life's worth. The sweat and grime, it don't wear me down, 'cause every seed I plant makes this life profound. Farming life, working from dawn to night, pulling weeds, sowing seeds under the sun so bright. Farming life, it's a never-ending ride, but every day and every way I feel that farmer's pride. The workshop is overflowing with services to be done, things to mend and fix from dusk till the morning sun. We rest our heads, but the work's never done, living this farm life from moonrise to sun. Farming life, working from dawn to night, pulling weeds, sowing seeds under the sun so bright. Farming life, it's a never-ending ride, but every day and every way I feel that farmer's pride. All the work, dirty work, it's the life we choose. In the heart of the country, we've got nothing to lose. Farming life, it's where we belong. With every sunrise, we sing this farmer's song. Plants to grow, soil to build, pruning trees and thin fruit. Hands in the soil, feeling that earth. Hard work and hustle, it's our life's worth. The sweat and grime, it don't wear me down, 'cause every seed I plant makes this life profound. Farming life, working from dawn to night, pulling weeds, sowing seeds under the sun so bright. Farming life, it's a never-ending ride, but every day and every way I feel that farmer's pride. The workshop is overflowing with the services to be done, things to mend and fix from dusk till the morning sun. We rest our heads, but the work's never done, living this farm life from moonrise to sun.
Flying high above the trees, where the wind and the leaves find harmony. The sun is shining on the open fields, a patchwork quilt of dreams revealed. All from above the homestead, everything's so clear, the beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light, captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. Glimpses of gardens, flourishing and free, rows of vegetables, an orchard of trees. The pond reflects the sky serene and blue, every corner of our home a lovely view. All from above the homestead, everything's so clear, the beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light. Captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. Glimpses of gardens flourishing and free, rows of vegetables, an orchard of trees. The pond reflects the sky serene and blue. Every corner of our home, a lovely view. Nature's art, painted from above. Every frame, a testament to love. The drone's gentle hum, a melody so sweet, as it soars and dips over fields of wheat. Oh, from above the homestead, everything's so clear. The beauty of this land held so dear. Green fields and winding streams in the morning light. Captured by the drone, what a wondrous sight. So let the drone fly high and let the music play in the skies above our home. It's a beautiful day. Every shot a story, every view a song. In the heart of nature, where we all belong. For our mindful living sanctuary, where peace and nature thrive. In every moment captured, we feel